Morning mga be! Welcome sa ating pangalawang bahay. Yan, gabi na ako. Umuwi kagabi. Pero ang aga ko again today kasi kailangan kong mag-prepare for some presentations. Hello mga be! Ayan. Ay, maganda pa pala ng dress na to. Kala ko pang bahay na siya. Yeah, pinapang bahay ko na lang to. Ganda pa pala siya. Uy, muna ako. Alam niyo pa, grabe, pabalik-balik ako. Siguro yung grab ko today, naka 100 ako. Okay lang yun. Namumuhunan tayo para sa ating kinabukasan. Babalik lahat yan. Ang lahat ng money ni-spend mo nang walang, alam mo yun, nang hindi ka nag-aalala, ay babalik sa'yo. Times 10 pa. So, ayan yung unit. And then may pinto dito. Diyan tayo ngayon. Okay. Ayan. Hagdan. So, nung first time kong bumaba dito, ayan, second floor. Then, pababa ako dito. Tapos, hinilip ko sa bakit ang dami naman ng hagdan sa baba? Tapos, feeling ko walang pinto. Ayun, no, like, for example, dapat ito na yung first floor. Bakit wala pa rin pinto? Ayan, no? But anyway, kailangan pa palang kumpa ng isang round. Makikita ko na yung door. Ayun! So, ayun, nakagawa na naman ako ng kanta. Ganito kasi yan. So, yung sister ko, may sinubmit siya na video clip. Tapos, habang nire-review ko for posting, nakita ko doon kasama niya si Mommy. Tapos, sinamahan niya manood nung play. Eh, di ba parang resident voice-over artist nga ako ng sa Binyan. So, nung nandun ako, tapos nag-play yung voice ko. Tapos, na-recognize ni Mom yung boses ko. Parang na-touch ako kasi parang sabi niya, sino yung nagsasalita? Parang gawin siya. I mean, wala ba namang amnesia nanay ko? But for her to recognize my voice, sabi niya, kay Abby yan, gano'n. Tapos, panoorin niyo na lang yung clip, i-attach ko na lang. Tapos, yun, na-recognize niya nga yung voice ko. And then, when I said the words, besame mucho with feelings, parang tumango siyang ganon. Tapos, napasmile siya. And it felt like validation. Ay, alam niyo, parang hindi naman ako words of affirmation. Like, I don't need words of affirmation to keep myself going. I will still keep going even without those. So, parang yung mom ko, nung siya, I felt validated. That I've never felt that I needed validation. But it feels so good na parang kusang binibigay siya ng mommy. I'm really teary-eyed whenever I make my parents proud. Sometimes we downplay our achievements. Parang hindi natin masyadong nire-recognize yung so much work that we put into things, yung mga bagay na pinaghirapan natin, at lalo na pag nagbunga na hindi. Kasi ang mommy, daddy, parang pinalaki kami na parang hayaan mong ibang tao yung magyabang para sa'yo, na hindi yung ikaw mismo ang yabang mo, parang gano'n. So, kaya nga, there are times na hindi ko talaga na feel that I've accomplished so much. But looking back, lagi ko na lang kino-compare sa sarili ko, like years back, na ay, ibang-iba na ako. Parang ang layo ko na. Parang gano'n na parang hindi ko akalaing I'll get to this day. Wala lang, ang haba ng intro ko. Pakinggan nyo na lang yung kanta. Naiyak ako.
It was just a clip on my sister's vlog, a voiceover moment, not meant to be a monologue. But there you were, recognize me speak.
Kaninong boses yan?
To besame mucho, tender, soft, not sleep. My voice wrapped the room like velvet air, and you just nodded like you'd always been there. Not like I've lacked attention, not like I need the noise, but that moment your expression spoke louder than my voice. You didn't clap, you didn't cheer, just a nod and a smile and a tear. Because in that play, in that line, you saw me. Mom, you heard me in Besame. I've always been the achiever type, not loud, just focused, chasing what feels right. I don't perform for love, don't beg for pride, but that one glance made something shift inside. You didn't say a word, but I felt your grace in that 1 second smile on your face. Not like I needed validation, but I still felt it bloom. The way you softened, nodded slow, like I lit up the room. I may be far, walking my own, but you made me feel deeply known. And I'll replay that clip any day, where Mom heard
morning! Ang lapit. Magandang umaga. Bango! Nag-crave ako sa Doritos na cheesy. Hindi ko alam kung nacho cheese ba yun. Sarap mo yun, yung namuo dito. Tapos, sarap! Specific ng cravings ko, no?
Riley and Big Red